Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can check for plagiarism for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to open up your browser and then I recommend you to visit this website, qtags.com. And after you have found this website, you can sign into this website with your Google account and you can check for plagiarism here. Just click on check for plagiarism. Okay, and then you can enter your text here, or actually you can upload your document. And for me, I'm just going to enter my text here. And as you can see guys, we can only check 500 words for free. If you want to check more words, you need to subscribe to this website. Okay, and I'm going to check plagiarism for this document. Wait. Okay, I'm going to copy the text and I'm going to paste it here. Okay, and then we can click on check for plagiarism. Okay, and wait. Okay, we just need to wait until 100% and you will get the information here. As you can see, my plagiarism is 0%, but it's still loading. And I think I need to pause this video and I'll be right back if the process has been completed. Okay, now it's done guys, and I'm going to see the result. Okay, as you can see that the plagiarism is only 4%. Okay guys, and that's all the way to check plagiarism for free. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.